It's working, yeah. Here's the inside of the Maserati 430. I've got the plans and things here. The wiring, very good wiring diagram it has. It has got the common problem with the fan isn't working properly. I think somebody's removed the relay from it, probably for good reason. That's stopping it from overheating or something. But I've tested it independently, it seems to be alright. But the replacement relays are duff rubbish things, so these things need to be some new ones, but it's very hard to come by these types of fuse relays. You do get to know relays in this car, how they work, but they're double exit, sort of double output fuse relays that are break unbreak, not very special in themselves. These are easily available without the fuse, but then it's a bit at risk of things going a bit pear-shaped. Tried to get the clock going, the battery replacement, that didn't work. It still didn't want to play ball. Getting the radio, it had an old hands-free kit in there that's been quite heavily buggered about with, but it was rather a mess, but it is actually working now, as it should do. Starting up again. The rev counter's decided to stop working. The speed here wasn't very fantastic, so the next bit will be the dashboard to get that going. It's got good pressure though. Everything else is very good. Could do some more petrol though. I did the fuse box. That's been completely taken out and redone and tidied up. Quite an easy thing to do. Saves you 400 quid. The windows are a bit on the slow side. So I'll have to get some silicone grease into them at some point. It did have remote central locking. That didn't seem to work out so well. It's got quite a nice radio though, and quite an original looking tape radio with a CD player in the boot. The outside of it. It's really in quite good condition really. Not far off sorting out the cabling. Now these need taking off and redoing. These are on a bit funny. That's a bit squeaky in there. That's alright. It's got the sort of more sport type wheels on it. They could do with redoing. It's lost the middle section there. It's pretty perfect though, rust wise. It is in really good condition. Usual little vulnerabilities coming out here. It's going alright. We're going to run out of petrol soon. I'll show you inside the engine. Good thing is the electrics are so simple in cars like this. Makes things nice and easy to fix. 1 second. The engine. 3 valves per cylinder. New cam belt. New oil, the spark plugs, new rotor arm and all those bits there. New fuses there, the headlights work properly now. It's blowing a bit down there. Battery's a bit on the large side. Fuses all started there. On the old, that is a very good engine. Very good indeed. idle now. That's about it, really. Nice on the inside. Wants to sort out little bits. Put a new aerial in there. That's not exactly set up right.